Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the crazy Lego guy. And yes, it has been a very long time since I uploaded. But I'm back now, and I'm not going to go into details why I've been away for so long. But anyway, I'm back, and you are probably wondering what the hell's going on because of the title of this video. Because I kept saying in my previous uploads that I was only focusing on Lego Disney Princess sets. But now, today, I'm doing a Lego Friends set for you guys. I'll show you which one it is in a minute. The only reason for this is because I just don't think... Well, I do love Disney Princess Lego sets, and I will do some more when I can find some more. But I also just couldn't stay away from Lego Friends. So we're doing a Lego Friends set today. So that is... It's this one. It is Lego Friends Emma's Cafe. And it is one of the more recent ones because they're, well, I say it's one of the more recent ones. Oh god, I've still left the price tag on here. That's not very good. I'll just peel it off now, if I can. Well, that's, fuck that up. Anyway, I'm just going to cover that mess up. But it's one of the newer ones because the Lego Friends have their more updated appearance on it. So this is Emma's Art Cafe. And that's what this is. This is the front of the box and the front of the Art Cafe. Here's the back of the box, just some pictures of like playability, and then obviously the behind the back view or whatever you want to call it. That is here. So I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm not really going to show you what's on the side because there's no point, because it's not really any different to what we've already seen. So, push. This is one of the push ones. Oh my lord. There we go, 2 fingers. Okay, and we're just going to pull it apart. Well, not apart, but open. Make sure there's nothing else in there. No, there isn't. So, what have we got here? We've got bag number 1. Bag number 2, bag number 3, so there are 3 bags, 1 loose plate, like a tan coloured loose plate, you probably can't see that because of the lights, a sticker sheet, and a big old book. Yeah, and one big instruction booklet.